Good evening, and here's a quick review of a new switch on the market. It is called Everglides. I have here the Tactile version. These switches are going to be for sale on Mass Drop, or you can order them now, but you'll get them later. Or you can also buy them on Taobao, which is what I did. Now I bought some of these to review them, so you won't have to. Let me tell you more about these. First I'll do a typing test, and then I'll tell you what I think about them. But the ones that I have here are the Tactile version. They have a green stem, 58 gram bottom out force, so they're very lightly sprung switch, and you're gonna understand why in a second here. They have a nice gold-plated spring. The spring seems quite nice, but I have to say they have some problems, which I'll talk about in a minute here. So first, a quick typing test. So they don't sound too bad, do they? At least I don't think so. And they are very smooth. So the best thing I can say about them is that they are very, very smooth, like Zelio's level smooth. However, they are significantly less tactile than Zelio's. They're noticeably less tactile than any version of Zelio's, be it V1, V2, OG Zelio's, whatever. These are less tactile. Some of that may be due to the fact that these are factory lubed, so they have some kind of a lightweight clear lubricant applied to the entire stem, so that can also help with the smoothness, but it might be reducing the tactility a little bit. I don't know. It's all over the place. It's on the legs as well, so they're a very smooth switch, not very tactile. If you like a mild tactility, these might be for you. However, I'm not crazy about the way they sound, especially the top out. I think that they have the same problem that T1s have. In fact, the housing to me is indistinguishable from the T1 housing. So I think they suffer from the same problem that T1 housings had and have, which is switch top wobble. So if you look at this switch here, the switch top is very loose. There's a lot of wobble. So that contributes negatively to the sound profile, in my opinion. Adds more high-pitched tonality to the sound, which adds kind of a more rattly sound as well. See, this switch top fits very loosely to the bottom. Now you can solve that if you use switch films on these. So if I were you, if you're going to use these, I would recommend switch films. However, as I said, they're very almost linear. They're not very tactile. They're very mild tactility. And then there's one more problem that I find kind of annoying. Watch this. See, that's not awesome. The stems appear to be sort of like undersized, kind of like the same problem that Utemu Sky stems had. So that bugs the crap out of me. So I can't really in good conscience recommend these switches. I think they're kind of like, they might work for you if you have PBT keycaps or caps that are really tight fitting like palm, or if you just don't care that they fit loosely. That might not bother you that much. But personally, I would skip these. If you can save up and get Zelio's, I think you'll be a lot happier. And hope you enjoyed the review. And have a nice evening.